In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently using the latest 2025 guide. Whether you're trying to keep a colleague in the loop or just need to pass along some important information, mastering the art of forwarding emails can save you time and help ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to the Outlook website at https://outlook.office.com. If you're not already logged in, simply sign in to your Microsoft Outlook account. Use your usual credentials, the same ones that you use every time you access your Outlook emails. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on your inbox homepage. The next step is to open the email you want to forward. Scroll through your list of emails until you find the one that requires action. When you locate it, click on the message to open it. You'll now see the email in full view on your screen. With the email open, take your attention to the top right corner of the message. There, you'll spot the forward icon, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Clicking on this icon will initiate the forwarding process. It's designed to be straightforward, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. After clicking forward, a new window will pop up where you can add the recipient's email address. It's crucial to double check that you've entered the correct email to ensure it reaches the intended person. If you need to include a personal note or any additional information, this is your chance to add a message in the text box provided. Personalizing your forwarded emails can be a nice touch and helps maintain clarity, especially if the person you're sending it to isn't aware of the context. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good, the right email address and any necessary accompanying message, it's time to send it off. Simply click the send button, and just like that, your email is on its way to the recipient. It really is that simple. Forwarding emails may seem like a minor task, yet it plays a significant role in maintaining effective communication and ensuring everyone stays informed. With these steps, you can efficiently keep your workflow moving without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for navigating Microsoft Outlook's email forwarding feature. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy emailing!